In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Live Wallpaper. It has to be from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then hit consent, use this gear at the top left corner, and operate all of those options. When you finish, click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Then select Set as Live Wallpaper, hit Yes, tap on Set Wallpaper, and decide where. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!